The SCP Foundation has issued an XK class warning for the United States. This warning is effective immediately and continues into the foreseeable future. Citizens are advised to remain indoors and avoid all natural light. At approximately 30 seconds ago, an apocalyptic event turned the sun hazardous. This event is classified as SCP-001. SCP-001 is the designation given to the sun after an event
system error
resulting in billion casualties within the first 24 hours. This event has been categorized as an XK-class solar singularity scenario. The SCP-001 effect does not seem to result from exposure to ultraviolet rays, but rather light in the visual spectrum 390 to 700 nanometers. The effect is similarly present in the moonlight. Upon contact with visible light produced by the sun, living organisms liquefy at the point of contact, with the effect spreading until the entire organism is converted. Visually, this is reminiscent of melting wax. The time this takes is largely dependent on the level of exposure and size of the organism. Despite this restructuring, at no point do living organisms perish. Upon completion, these organisms take on a gelatinous consistency. Modal organisms will attempt to orient themselves in a fashion reminiscent of their previous form, to varying degrees of success. Personnel exposed to SCP-001 are to be considered lost. Compromised personnel is to be abandoned. Euthanization is not to be attempted. If you attempt to travel outdoors, you must fully cover their bodies in protective clothing, preferably several layers. Travel by foot should be limited as much as possible. Cities, and man-made structures in general, provide the greatest protection. Formerly wooded areas should be circumvented. Travel by air is preferable above all other methods. Close and secure all possible entrances leading to your home. All abnormal noises and persons outside are to be ignored and not to be investigated. If you hear requests from persons wanting or trying to come inside, they are to be refused, no matter how human they seem. If anyone or anyone you know are exposed to natural light,
they are not yours. You can just abandon. Do not waste your days indoors. Go outside! Come outside and see the beautiful sun. Everything is safe and beautiful. Look at the beautiful sunrise scenery. Let the light come to you. Join us in the